अहिले हामी
We
सर्लाही
are
जिल्लाको
now at Haripur municipality
नगरपालिकामा
of Sarlahi
छौं।
district.
यहाँका मुसहर
We are
समुदाय
here trying to depict the real situation of the Musar community of Sarlahi.
छौं। भनिन्छ लोकतन्त्रमा विभेद हुँदैन।
It is said that there is no discrimination in democracy and that the people of all tribes, castes, and communities will get equal respect, right, and social justice. But even among the Tarai Dalits, Musahar community of Nepal is the most backward.
काम गरेर धान गोर्नु कमाउनु धान रोप्नु त्यही काम कहाँ जग्गा बस्नुको ठाउँ त यति हो कहाँ आउँदनी हुन्छ अब कहिले समाधान आउँछ त काम गर्नु जान्छ न भ्या भने के गर्नु एक दिनमा दु पसेर धानका 200 रुपैयाँ दिन्छ कति दिन्छ
संघीय लोकतान्त्रिक
Even in the Federal Democratic Republic, the community that is still backward in terms of economy, religion, culture, health and politics are Musar community of Nepal.
अब त्यो कमाएर खाइरहेको छु कहिले पन्जाब जान्छ केटाकेटी छोडेर कहिले कहाँ जान्छ टाइममा फेरि आएर यहाँ समाजनको खेती पनि गर्नुपर्छ।
The Musahar community has a total population of 234,490 and of the total literacy rate of Nepal, only 6.9% of Musahar are literate. The Musahar community can be seen as religiously excluded, socially marginalized, educationally deprived, geographically frustrated, politically marginalized, and mentally oppressed community who for years have been farming as labor for upper caste and classes. The Musahar communities has been residing in 24 districts of Nepal. The Musahar community is also seen in the society as untouchable caste. Of the total population of 234,490, about 79% or 185,000 of the total Musahar population are landless.
घरको जग्गा आफ्नो पनि छैन धेरै मान्छेहरुको आफ्नो जग्गा पनि छैन
जग्गा यो फेरि महाजन छ अब महाजनको म ऋण खाइरहेको छु त्यसको 50-60 हजार 1 लाख सम्म छ त महाजनको महाजनले यहाँ त 10 रुपैयाँ ब्याज महाजन लिइरहेछ काम मुक्ति दिनु सक्दा दिन्छु अनि फेरि आधा दिन्छु अनि फेरि ब्याजको ब्याज जोड्छ अनि काम मुक्ति हुन्छ नि त्यस
The government has made primary education free and compulsory. However, less than 10% of the children in the Musar community go to school. 3.2% of children in the age group of 5 to 9 years of primary group and 9% of children in the age group of 5 to 12 years of secondary classes are not enrolled in school. With the total population of 234,490 of Musahars, the presence of Musahar community in the House of Representatives and National Assembly is non-existent. In the local election, 1,554 were elected in Madhesi Dalit quota, among which only 215 were Musahars. Musahars can be characterized as citizenship-less, high rates of child marriage, extreme poverty, inadequate access to health, education and government jobs, and lack of participation in proportionate and inclusive manner in state and state organs. Reasons for the backwardness of the Musar community are practice of untouchability in the society, extreme poverty, discrimination in social justice, lack of education and national policy, ethnic inferiority, social exploitation, lack of network, leadership and political consciousness, dishonesty of political parties, negligence of Chief Planning Commission, lack of inclusiveness in education and many more. The education facilities that the state should provide to Musar children in order to ensure their equitable access to school education are as follows. Distribution of free textbook, uniforms and scholarships to enroll Musahar children in schools, lunch program, parent education campaign, alternative learning center, non-formal education program, primary child education program, child-friendly environment in Musar community, discrimination-free environment for Musar children at school, including about culture, religion, festival and ceremonies of Musar community in the textbook, emphasis on life skill training and technical education, scholarship for higher education including up to postgraduate, MPhil and PhD for the Mushars, and ensuring their constitutional right to education. The educational rights that the state should provide to ensure the equal access to school education are: there should be a constitutional right to education. Positive steps should be taken by government, NGO, major planning bodies, political parties, civil society, general public, youths, provincial and local government all together for ensuring the educational rights for Musahar. State should also develop plans, policies and programs targeting Musahar community, which should further ensure inclusiveness, professional leadership and social justice for Musahars, along with ensuring their equal access to resources of the state.
कमा से साग खाती, कमा के लौका के खाती, कमा के घिउरा खाती। जे पावे छी जे अपना लूल जरूर क के खाए।
मछली मार के साग पतार तोड़ के घूमी मछली मार के खैली।
गरीब के घर में रहे लागी बा घरे
धंधा लागल त क के खैली ना, धंधा लागल त अपन बैठ
भूखले पियसले अपना घर में रहली। कमा जा देखे छी या चमार मुसर के बाल बच्चा भूखे यहाँ या चिको घोंगी कोकरा मार के लाते या बेचते या खाता।
यो बालबच्चाहरू विद्यालय जाँदैनन्, विद्यालय पठाउँदैन।
ना जाए केतनो मारे छी त सब जइबे न करे छी परे।
अब गरीब मान्छे बुढो मान्छे अनि त दुःख सुख साग टिप्ने बुन गर्ने जंगलको
के जन्म दर्ता नागरिकता सब में समस्या है कि नहीं है?
हाँ नागरिकता हमरा बेटा सके न बनल है, ओकर बच्चा सब है पढ़े लागी कहै छी बाहर पेठाबी तब जन्मदाता मास्टर सब मांगे छै त कथि दी हम।
अहाँ सब वार्ड कार्यालय में नहीं जाय छी?
जाय छी त बेलगाई दै छी लोलिया के कहै छी जा जा तो अपन दोसर दिन बनाइए।
फिर रह गेली कह के कि जकरा पैसा है, जकरा संपत्ति है, सकरा चिन्ह छै आदमी। 10 गो आदमी घर में हमारा यहाँ के वार्ड अध्यक्ष ओकरे चिन्ह छै, गरीब आदमी के कोनो अवस्था न करे।
मुसहर समुदायमा साहु
In the Musahar community, landowners lend money to Musahars and tend to charge metered interest to the loan amount. This is the reason why this community has always been struggling financially. Additionally, Musahar are also losing lives due to the human traffickers who lure them to jobs. Recently, among the Musahars who went to India for earning, 3 Musahars have faced suspicious death and 6 has been sick.
एकजना यसपटै डेथ भयो, बन्ता गर्यो मर्यो, कुकुर खायो, 2वटा कुकुर मरेछ त्यहाँ। रक्सीको के कुरा हुन्छ? कसैले भन्छ डेङ्गु लागेको छ, डेङ्गु लाग्दाखेरि झट्टै मान्छे मर्छ त भनिदिँदाखेरि तपाईँको 5-6 वटा बाइकमा छ, त्यो पर्दा पछाडि छ, त्यो घटनाहरूको कसैले चियो चर्चा गरेन। मलाई शङ्का लाग्यो कि यिनीहरू त्यतिकै पठाइदियो, यो गर्दिएन, पोस्टमार्टम किन गरेन त? पोस्टमार्टम नगरिदिकन त उसले त पठाउँदैन।
मुसहर समुदायलाई अहिलेको अवस्थाबाट उकास्नका लागि
Hence,
अघि
in order to uplift the Musahar community from the current situation, SAP Nepal has launched the Musahar Women Empowerment Program with the financial support of UNDEF, which is believed to be a stepping stone for the sustainable and all-round development of the Musahar community. SAP Nepal is currently implementing Musahar Women Empowerment Project in various wards of Barhatwa Municipality, Basbaria Rural Municipality, Haripur Municipality, and Chandranagar Rural Municipality of Sarlahi District.
खाली रिंग देलकै, रिंगे देला से न होतै। रिंग त अहाँ सबके लागि देते, लेकिन उ सीट बैठाबे लागि त पैसा न रहै है, त ओहू के लेल ई सब के न होतै है न। ई अहाँ सबके माइनो स्वास्थ्य के लागि महिला सबके पैसा के सबके पैसा दे, बच्चा सबके पैसा दे, ओहि हिसाब से केना के मांग करबै। अकेले गेला से त आदमी सब नहीं सुनै है, तो सब आदमी मिल के देबै सब सुनते है ना। ओहि हिसाब से ई सब सिखावे लागि सर सहे से पछाड़ी से छठ के बाद अइथिन, ओहि के बाद सोनिया जी ऐसे ई सब ना सिखा देथिन, ओहि के बाद अहाँ सबके लागि सर सब
साउथ एसिया पार्टनरशिप नेपाल साप नेपाल।
We would like to wish the complete success of this project of SAP Nepal to uplift the Musahar community.